Solving a dynamic problem. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the scenario that I laid out for last week, and you'll have to excuse me. I am tweaking the new camera, so the coloring and the lighting is probably going to change each week, but I just wanted to throw that out there. I know it's kind of slid over a little bit. I zoomed in a little bit because I didn't want to get my microphone all in the way and really throw off the colors. So, all right, the question that I posed last week was, how would you build a dynamic algorithm of how to solve a gathering of information for the previous month? So I've done some tweaking right here for us, and we have year and month. So this is how we're going to really go through this. So this is pretty complicated, so we're actually going to break this up into two videos. So I inadvertently solved this problem before it was a big deal, because the month that I built this happened to be in January, and we wanted to look back to December. So I was going to originally make this where whatever you did is you looked back to the previous month. Well, as I was building this, what is 1 minus 1? There is no month 0. So this is where this gets to be dynamic. So this is what you really want to think about. So you're not filtering or looking for a certain month. You're looking for the previous month. So you need to take into account the year and the month. So let's just really lay this out. So we want to look for, because as we can see, we have 2020 and 2021, and there's actually 2019 data in this database. So we want to take the max, unless it is the current month is the first. Then if the current month is the first, your month is now the 12th, and your year is the max minus 1. So, all right, I'll go ahead and say that again. So you're constantly wanting to look for the current data. So you're going to want to look in SQL, the way that you're going to be looking at this is the max, the most recent, the largest input, the largest current information out there. So the way that we would set this up first is we would go and grab what is the largest year. Okay. Then we want to look at the largest month, the max month in the year, right? That is left out there because we don't want to just pull the max month, because let's just say it was April and you just pulled the max month. There's always going, if you have more than 1 year of data, you're going to have multiple 12s. So that already is going to be a flaw in the logic. If you're saying we don't need to check the year, we just grab the max month. Again, if this is more than a year's of data, there's going to be all 1 through 12 months. So we have to narrow this range down of look at the max year, then look at the max month. Except if the max month is the first month, then you have to do two caveats. You need to change the month from 1 to 12 and change the year from max to max minus 1. So there, think about that, and we will begin to attack this layout. I want you to spend some time thinking on this, because this is not quite an easy problem. Because last time we took and we placed a subquery in a where clause? Well, we're going to need to have, so for the first part of looking at getting up our max, or to check this to do a case when, we're really going to need to have these two columns because of this scenario right here. So I'm not smart enough to actually have thought about this. I was just fortunate enough to have this time of the year happening, and I was able to realize that when I wrote my first go round of this, my first attempt, it kept failing, and I'm like, why is this failing? I'm just subtracting 1 from it. Well, there is no month 0, so that became glaringly apparent. So if we're going to use 2 columns, we're then going to need to use a join. So all right, there, pretty short, medium video today. And again, I'll keep working on this because I got the background a little bit better, but the coloring and it auto adjusts. It's an upgrade of a camera too. So kind of drop down and let me know down below what you think about the coloring. And I know I solved one issue where it was graying out with my teeth with the last camera. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping down in the Discord down below. Dropping any video requests, comments, things you'd like to see, things you need help with, because this is a new term starting for school and everybody is getting back at it. So if there's anything I can help with, please drop a comment down below, post it over on the Discord, whatever way is easiest for you. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.